Hi, this is Janet from Try It Like It Create It, and today I am unboxing some products from Gwen Studios. I have worked with them before, but with this package, I am going to be applying to their design team, so I wanted to show you what they sent me to work with. So it came in this cute package with pink tissue paper, and so you're seeing it just the same time I am seeing it. So they sent me patches. So 4 gold stars, and then 2 tigers. And it appears that those who are applying to their design team are going to get different items. So theirs may not look exactly the same as mine. So then I have a variety of ribbon here, and I'll show you. I have pink, I have black, gold, white with gold, and then a large of black satin ribbon, and there's 100 yards in this roll. Isn't that amazing? So we've been asked to design with these products, and I think what I'm going to do is probably make a pair of earrings. So I'll give that a go and show you what I make. So to begin the earrings, what I have done here is I have chosen my 3 colors of ribbon that coordinate, and I have cut them down to size. Now you can choose any size you desire, but what I have here is a piece that's just about 3 1/4 inches, and then I have a smaller piece, the next piece being 2 1/2, and then the last one I've cut down to be about 3/4 of an inch, and this one is thick. This is like a faux leather or suede, and so I didn't want to double up on it because we're folding them in half. So this next step is optional, and I am just using a lighter and folding the ribbon in half, and then just sealing the edges there with the heat, and you may even be able to get them to stick together. So I'm just folding them in half and melting along that edge. And there, you can see that this one stuck together. So then, if you want to use glue to line things up, you could. I am just going to hold them by my hand here, and I'm just layering the ribbon pieces on top of each other. And then before I finish, I want to double check the made one and make sure everything is even and equal. Then I'm going to take my clamp, and I am going to put it over the piece and pinch as much as I can with my fingers to get started. But I have found that I am going to need to use the plier here to get it going, and to finish it off actually. So I'm pinching with my fingers to get it in as tight as I can, still holding on to the ribbon here. I'm just going to adjust a little bit so I can hold the clamp, or hold the top piece as well. And then I'm going to go and pinch it into place. And I'm pinching on both sides. It's going to be a little bit tighter than in the middle because that middle piece has some layer and some suede, and I want to make sure I catch the ribbon on the side. So just make sure that you're nice and tight. Everything is clamped shut, especially on the ends. And then all you need to do is take your ear wire and twist that opening to the side. Now you don't want to pull backwards, you want to twist sideways and slide on your ribbon piece, and then close that shut. And just that quick and easy, you've made a pair of earrings. So there's my pink version, and then I'll show you, I also did an animal print version, and this one is folded for the large piece of ribbon, and then the two smaller pieces are just cut single layer. So I sealed off the black ribbon, and then the animal print didn't need any because it's I don't know if it's faux leather but it cut differently, and it didn't need to be sealed. So there is that pair.